If you have braces, there are some foods you simply must avoid because they bend wire and pop brackets. Some of these are obvious, like candy, ice, taffy, and jerky, but others like popcorn, pizza crust, nuts, bagels, and other crusty breads might surprise you. Some foods can be eaten, but need special care so they don't damage your braces. Things like apples and hard fruits, which should be cut into small pieces. Hard cookies are best softened with a glass of cold milk. Other foods can be eaten, but will require special cleaning when finished. Oftentimes, things like gum, gummy bears, and caramels require so much work to clean that it's not even worth eating in the first place. Sodas and other high-sugar foods and beverages can cause tooth decay and damage the components of your braces. They should be avoided or limited because even after cleaning, they can damage your teeth. Your orthodontist will gladly have a conversation on which foods you can enjoy and which to limit or avoid to keep your braces in top condition. Remember to be careful with what you're eating, and your smile will be as dazzling as ever.